Hola, welcome to the Spanish Spot. Today we're learning the personal pronouns in Spanish, and I'll teach you how to pronounce each one so you can start speaking with confidence. Singular pronouns. The first one is yo and means I. Example, yo estudio español. I study Spanish. Tú means you, informal for friends, family, people your age. Example, tú eres mi amigo. You are my friend. Él means he. Example, él vive en México. He lives in Mexico. Ella means she. Example, ella canta muy bien. She sings very well. Usted means you, formal, for respect. Example, usted trabaja aquí. You work here. Nosotros means we, all male or mixed group. Example, nosotros vamos al cine. We go to the movies. Nosotras means we, all female group. Example, nosotras estudiamos juntas. We study together. Vosotros and vosotras both mean you all in Spanish, but they're only used in Spain for informal plural. Vosotros is for male or mixed groups, and vosotras is for all female groups. Example, vosotros, vosotras sois mis amigos, amigas. You all are my friends. Ellos means they, male or mixed group. Example, ellos juegan fútbol. They play soccer. Ellas means they, all female. Example, ellas cocinan muy bien. They cook very well. Ustedes means you all, formal plural in Spain, used for all plural in Latin America. Example, ustedes hablan español. You all speak Spanish. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Spanish Spot for more Spanish made simple. Hasta pronto.